Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another new recipe. So today we are gonna make Afghani chicken gravy. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So quickly note down the ingredients we're gonna use for this recipe. So first of all, I'm gonna blend onion, green chilies and coriander leaves together in the blender. You must blend it into a fine paste. So yeah, that's the right paste consistency. Into this, you're gonna add ginger garlic paste, lime juice, fresh cream. Fresh cream is nothing but I took the malai from the milk we had at home, and milk, curd, cashews, garam masala, salt you can adjust according to your need, kasuri methi I have taken from Everest brand, you can use whatever you want, and pepper is totally optional to you. Blend it into a fine paste. Yeah, this is the perfect consistency. And we are almost done. We are going to marinate the chicken with this mixture we made, at least for 30 minutes. You can avoid the pepper spiciness if you're not good at pepper, because the chili spiciness is already there. So we are going to marinate this for at least 30 minutes. You can refrigerate it for the better result. And yeah, after 30 minutes, I have taken around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. And into that I'm gonna add only the chicken from the mixture. I'm gonna fry it until golden brown. I have saved the rest of the mixture for the gravy. So yeah, this is how the chicken will look when it's done. You can take it out once it is done from the oil. Make sure you do not overcook the chicken, otherwise the juiciness of the chicken will go off and it will turn out to be hard. So yeah, it's done. I'm removing it from the oil completely. I'm gonna add the rest of the gravy mixture into the oil and fry until the raw smell vanishes. The blend of cream, milk and curd gives a very rich flavor to this gravy, and it is going to be yummy in your tummy. If you are of a larger family and you want a larger quantity gravy, you can definitely double up the quantity we use for this marination, and make sure you're not diluting it by adding water. It has to be thick when you serve it. In case you dilute it, the richness and the creaminess will just go off. It will just be like unusual gravy. So yeah, the gravy is almost done. So we are going to add the fried chicken into this and allow it to boil until the oil separates from the gravy. So yeah, after 5 minutes it will be completely done. You can serve it hot along with chapati or pulao, or you can eat it as it is. And yeah, I wanted to give a tip to you all for the fresh cream. You don't have to buy it outside. What I usually do is I keep collecting the malai from the boiling milk. Malai is nothing but the paladai, we call it in Tamil. So when you keep collecting it and refrigerate it, it is the best fresh cream than the store bought. Hope you like this video. Please do try this recipe at home and tell me how did it turn out to be in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And yeah, press the bell button to get all my future video notifications. Thank you.